every child that was born in this world will want such a transparent individual. But as they grow up, they learn, they see, they expose themselves and experience new things. That's great. But there's one question that many people always neglect themselves. That is to find out who they really are. Self-awareness. Do you know what you want? Where do you want to go? What do you like? What's your passion? What's your strength? What's your hobbies? What do you like to do? And all this while, there is no clarity in them. There's no action taken because they've been following other people's experiences, feedback and opinion. They care too much about it that they neglect themselves. You only live once in this world. And don't regret it. You have the opportunity to explore further things. So if you don't know about yourself, you have no clarity, you have no awareness, it is time to act now. Here in Worldwide Stage, we are having our live workshop on the 7th to the 9th of September in 2019. I'll see you there if you want to know more about yourself. Stay awesome and alive as always.